How do you feel about Central?
Oh, it's the center of my universe. It's central. All right.
What do you like about Central?
I like the variety of sports and clubs that there are on campus, so there really is something for everybody here.
I would have to say the diversity in Central is pretty cool because I like how we have a whole bunch of people coming from different countries and getting to learn and getting to get their education on and having fun at school, you know?
How do you feel about Central?
It's the best school ever.
Yeah?
Wow. The one thing I like about Central is how the teachers are nice and some of them are pretty cool.
A lot of things actually, but especially student government. It's amazing. It's like a whole new family, you know? You get
Hey Bobcat community, I'm Fanny.
I'm Crystal.
And we are the editors of CNN, the Central News Network.
Thank you for coming out tonight. Just wanted to take a few minutes to show you some highlights of our wonderful school.
There are so many amazing programs and opportunities here at Central. One of the most exciting is our Culinary Program.
Let's take a look.
So, hi everyone, I'm Miss Sullivan. I am one of the culinary teachers here at Central. And, I'm going to invite you to think about this question. What is the number one thing that people need most in life? Food, right? What better class to take than a culinary class to learn about how to make food that's different? Today, in fact, I'm showing everyone how to make a different kind of mash. Instead of mashed potatoes, we're making a velvety mashed cauliflower with a pork tenderloin and an apple chutney. Now, I know your mouth is watering right now and you want to come in and try that. Come take my class. Come see what it's all about. Next year, state-of-the-art kitchen. You can't miss out. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wait till you guys try it. It's so delicious. Let's use the rest.
Hello, I'm Mr. Gerace. I'm the director of Central High School's Global Studies program. The program is for students who are interested in international stuff, be it international travel or international cultures or international languages. We're always happy to have students come visit us in room 887 if they're interested in taking a field trip to China or Japan or France or Costa Rica, or hosting some of our visitors from our sister schools in China, Japan, France, and Costa Rica. So come see me or come see Mrs. Aranda in room 887 and get some more information about this unique program we have at Central High School.
Hi, my name is Roberta. I am a sophomore this year, and I really like the Global Studies program because it allows us to travel places anywhere from Japan, China, Costa Rica, or France. And we really like being able to host our students and show them what it's like to be here and traveling, and them doing the same for us.
Hello, I'm Dr. Garden. I'm going to give you a quick update on the construction here at Central. Behind me is where the new student union is going to be constructed here shortly. Starting in about 2 weeks, right when you get back from your Labor Day weekend. They're going to start demolishing the old cafeteria, and they'll start construction on the new cafeteria. It's going to be bigger and better than it was before. It's going to come all the way out where you used to see the Ramadas back behind me. It's going to come out there and be bigger than it was before. It's going to feel more like a college campus. It's going to feel like a student union. It's going to give you places to plug in your phones, have recharge during lunch. There's going to be booth seating. There's going to be 4 top tables. There's going to be high top tables like if you were at a Starbucks counter. There's going to be large rounds like we have right now. But it's going to be a great experience for those of you that eat in the cafeteria every day, as well as a new culinary space. For those of you taking culinary, there'll be 2 commercial kitchens. and new classrooms for our 1, 2, and 3, 4 students and our 5, 6 students that are going to get them ready so they could walk out of our school and walk right into any type of commercial kitchen and get a job working in a kitchen. In the time being, we do have the great tent set up out there for you. I know it's a little bit rough sometimes, but and the food selection isn't always the best, but they are working on getting some more selections out there. They just need to get everything up and running and make sure it's smooth so that way they can serve you as quick as possible and not have issues with service out there. So that's the cafeteria and culinary. Also, we're going to do the front office. You're going to have a new front office, a secure entry to the school, so that way you can feel safe when you're on campus. You don't have to worry about other people getting on the campus and causing any issues, as well as a parent side of the front office and a student side of the front office. So that way there is some separation there between you and the parents when they are on campus. Hopefully this will all be coming together and wrapping up. The front office should be done before we leave for the holiday break. The cafeteria we're hoping to move in sometime in February, and culinary should be moving into their space sometime in March and April. So it'll all be done before we end the year. So those of you that are seniors will actually get to experience it before you leave this school year.
Oh wow, I can't wait for that new cafeteria.
Yeah, but it's not just a cafeteria, Crystal. It's a student union. It's going to be way better, and it's going to be a cool place to hang out.
Yeah, well, another great thing about Central is how much our teachers here prepare us for in high school and out of high school.
Yeah, Crystal, 2 great programs are Sun Central's Tutoring and Avid. Let's take a look.
Hey everyone, I'm Miss Crabtree, and I'm here to talk to you about the Phoenix Sun Central After School Tutoring Program that we have here on campus. If you're struggling in any of your courses, especially in math or English, you can come after school, and we offer free tutoring to anybody who would like to come in and get help. The cool part is that the Phoenix Suns are here to support us. So for every hour you guys put in for the after school program, I will be letting the Phoenix Suns know, and you can win cool gear, or you could potentially meet one of these guys, okay? So come in after school. It's every day from Monday to Thursday from 3:10 until 4 o'clock, and we will be here to help you out.
Hi, my name is Miss Teller. I'm the Central Avid Site Coordinator, and Avid is a 4-year elective class and program for students here at Central. The goal of Avid is to make sure that students are college ready and also career ready when they leave high school. We have elective teachers at 9th, 10th, and 11th grade level, and the students in the AVID program, they not only learn organizational skills, note-taking strategies, study skills, but the big component is the college readiness. And so we do our best to expose our Central students to college admissions officers, campus visits, as well as create relationships with local mentors and tutors that visit Central High School.
Well, that's only a small taste of what Central has to offer. Get it? Taste. It's a culinary cafeteria.
Are you my cousin? There is so much here at Central to offer. We have dozens of clubs like Anime, the Adventure Club, the Science Explorers Club, and so many more.
We have tons of great fall sports right now, like volleyball and football. Winter sports like basketball and soccer will be starting up, and we have a great new principal, Miss Avalos.
Thanks for coming out to Central tonight, guys, and for discovering all that Central has to offer.
Hit us up on Instagram, CEHS_Bobcats, and Twitter, CEHS_Bobcats, and on Facebook at Central Bobcats.
Bye! Have fun looking at the classes. Oh,
Bye,
wait,
Mom!
Mom!